Hello, in this video I will show you how you can set default SIM for calls on Google Pixel 10. First of all, open the phone app. From here, tap on this icon in the top left corner. Go to the settings and from here open calling accounts. Now in the make and receive calls section you can find make calls with. And now after you opening this you can find your SIM cards. So now as you can see I have only one SIM, but if you have more SIM you can find it over here. So now let's just simply select this SIM that you want, and after that it will be make calls with this SIM. Also you can find here ask first, so if you are making calls to someone, it will show a pop-up and it will allows you to select the SIM that you want to make this call with. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.